If you want Lovable Pro completely free for 1 month, this video will walk you through the exact steps. No confusion, no guesswork, just follow along carefully because this offer can expire anytime. First, open Lovable in your browser. Log in to your account. If you're not logged in yet, sign in using your email or preferred login method. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the free tier by default. Now click on the upgrade option to move to Lovable Pro. You can also use a VPN if you want to. On the upgrade screen, you'll see a field to enter a promo or coupon code. Enter the code given in the video description. As soon as you apply it, you'll notice the amount changes to 0. Next, enter your credit card details. Don't worry, the payable amount is 0 for this 1 month period. Complete the subscription process. Enter your OTP which you received, and yes, that's all you need to do. Remove subscription if you don't want to continue. That's it. Lovable Pro is now enabled on your account. You can immediately start using all Pro features. Important note: use this code as soon as possible. These offers are usually limited and can stop working without notice. If this worked for you, like the video, comment "worked" and subscribe to the channel. This helps me bring more free tools, tips and tricks for you. If the code doesn't work for you, comment below and let me know. I'll create more videos to help you get free access to multiple tools that genuinely make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Check the description for the code, try it now, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical walkthroughs like this.